Technical update for Bitcoin. This is London with Crypto Kingdom. Bitcoin spike 38,940. Guys, we are down 8.2%. Please pay attention. Listen to what I said last time. And two bullish features and one warning for Bitcoin. First of all, I want to remind exactly, guys, one warning. I noted it as a warning, and guys, we did pour it down. What was the warning? I went ahead and explained what was going on. Hugely important when we would talk about the possibility of price returning to the prior level of resistance. I want all of you to be prepared to operate at this potentially lower level. Okay, guys, there we go. This is London. Please go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Share the video. I'll tell you, former Harvard Business School, Duke University, certified in markets, not financial advice. Now, the important thing about this new level of resistance, it was a new cross trend line that was being that was impacting price. We knew that because of the level of the hit along the resistance, hit along the support, and as we looked at that hourly, if we really line these out, as we looked at the hourly, we just saw in line with this just a nice rise here in terms of those two hits on the hourly. So it was just a clear demonstration that there was something else in play. Yes, you could have found horizontal level of resistance. We could have found that. We were looking to conquer that. Also, we could have found I'd say a lateral level of, or a diagonal level of support that we were trying to get up and above another cross trend line from that 10,000 in October 2020 to that just about 30,000 in July 2021. That specific line has been very important. If you watch my videos, you know that specific line has been called out in red. Just a nice clear hit along that specific level of prior support we were trying to get up and over. We did set the daily above that 100 moving average. That was the first step. We needed to maintain price above the 100, also above that 200 there in purple. Essentially, those prices at 44,100 and 44,200, let's say, and that 45,600. So as we would look at this, the important feature here is that, yes, you were warned in terms of this return to. I also, guys, I let you know, I gave you the heads up on this preceding pattern. All right, this preceding pattern here, we've had 1, 2. This has happened twice now recently. If you trade a lot in Bitcoin, if you understand what you're doing in Bitcoin, this is nothing new. Absolutely nothing new. The interesting component that the traders are looking at right now, and shout out to all the VIP, shout out to all the base campers, shout out to Angel, our number one VIP on the top. He is just killing it in the market. Every day he's doing well, guys. I'm excited to have him in terms of being the top shelf VIP, invested in Bitcoin since $7.79. What's up, Angel? Look forward to those returns in 2022, see where you're headed. In terms of this specific larger feature, the important part about this, we'll go through it more in stream, is that you've just seen a micro version of an ascending triangle. You go to the candle wicks for this, okay? Flat top resistance, ascending line of support. I let you guys know, return to feature, be prepared. This one, I got more specific with it. I was like, I'm not sure people really listened that last time. So I was like, warning. I don't know what to say sometimes, guys. Warning up and around here. The return to possibility is big, okay? So as we would look at that, we're looking at a larger macro version of the micro. What just happened on each one of these? Well, there's a breakout, return. Within the context of what we're looking at, it's the same dynamic. It's the same pattern. We have an ascending line of support, a flat top resistance. So buyers are very keenly aware. They are they've been, guys, you'd have to be on the completely wrong bus to miss this one. I'm just going to tell you, you'd have to be on the completely wrong bus, going the wrong direction. You have to pay attention to this specific market dynamic. Everybody's on this. So I'm glad that we were ahead of the game here. I'll say that, and ahead of the game here as well with that specific warning. So always trying to challenge you guys a little bit. We want to shout out to our new VIP, Craig. Also want to shout out to Pathfinder. You guys may not know what VIP is. Guys, it's the top, it's a trade group, top level of membership here at the channel. I just want to let you guys know, look at the back here. Tons of good stuff going on. Look at the specific charts that we're throwing up. One from a stream last night. Make sure you have those notifications on so that you don't miss our stream. And as you look at these, just constant good information going on in the back. Look, from the stream last night, I go ahead and I dock a lot of these important charts that we come up with on the stream. Look, crypto prices, USDT dominance. Look at this symmetrical triangle. Very important, guys. You see the inverse correlation between crypto prices and between USDT dominance on the monthly chart. You got to go to the monthly chart on this specific one for the symmetrical triangulation. Yeah, that's like VIP, kind of number one level TA right there staring at you. Very important chart, guys. Everybody who is, I'd say anybody in crypto is paying attention to that specific chart. I want to make sure you guys are certainly as well. Now, in terms of the specific targets, we can go through the specific targets. Very easy. We'll do that tonight on stream. Looking forward to that. I can't wait to get back in stream. That's where we really shine. That's where we're really that's where we're really most comfortable is on stream. Angel, we hope you can make it, and definitely Pathfinder and everybody else. Craig, we hope you guys are there. And the old VIPs also just tune in. It's never too late to get a badge, guys. Just get a badge. That's the new thing for 2022. I want you guys to have a badge in that specific chat. And if you don't have one, you can refrain from chatting. Exclusive, guys. It's the exclusive VIP. I have to maintain it like that. We welcome everybody. If you're blue collar or white collar, anybody who wants to beat the market, please join us with our VIP top level of membership. We're coming down onto our 61.8 to 65th percent retracement to 78.6, and the 86 would be below it as we line out our specific Fibonacci's. The important part, I'm going to tell you this, whether or not you're scaling in, whether or not you're getting kind of flash trades, a lot of volatility is the name of the game with Bitcoin. We're excited to see that. The important factor, and please just be aware of this fact, is that we need to maintain an ascending line of support. Very, very badly. We need to maintain an ascending line of support. It needs to be ascending. Now, on the candle wicks, it's real slight. It is still there, but please pay attention to, let me just say, pay attention to this specific line of support. Guys, we need to maintain, buyers need to continue to step in at these levels. So the fact that we have two ascending triangles which have just recapitulated upon themselves. If you trade Bitcoin, you know what's going on. If you're paying attention to our streams, and if you're actively trading, this is no surprise to you. But the entirety, let's say, I don't know, guys, some other individuals may just see the volatility, and a lot of retail at this point may just be getting a little bit gun shy in terms of participation in the market. Like, it's just really, really aggressive pricing. We're excited about it because we see, a pickup from our original target, lowest target in the market, guys, lowest target in the market, right at that 33.5, we'll just call it 33.5, but up through 35% the first hit, and then along that macro, as you guys look at it, the macro on the specific Fibonacci's. We'll go and just draw these real quickly just to cover that, but we're coming back up in contact with another hit, and we'll just lay this out real quickly, about 2 more minutes in terms of this specific video. But yeah, that hit along the 50, the first time was about 30 plus percent. We're coming off of the second 30 plus percent, because if you guys are not trading, if you're not involved in the market, I just very much encourage you to get involved in the market. If you want to try your hand at trading, etc. Again, not financial advice, but we welcome all the aggressive traders that we can possibly find. So let's make this a good stream tonight, guys. You guys had the heads up and a warning, right? So I'm excited about that. This is London with Crypto Kingdom of Bitcoin Spike. You guys remember, never be overexposed at any single price on any single trade. Always be prepared to compound down at lower levels with that heavy, heavy reserve capital ready to deploy at lower levels. This is London, guys. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks so much. And yeah, make sure you have those notifications on. We'll stream London with Crypto Kingdom and Bitcoin Spike.